Tunde. Are you struggling to pay your bills? Then this video is for you. Please make sure you watch to the end. I'll be talking about top 8 loan apps you can actually take legit loan from. So watch it to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I said earlier, these are top 8 loan apps in Nigeria that you can take loans from and you won't get defamed. Number 1 is Migo Loan. Migo Loan is not a loan app. Yes, it's not a loan app. It's just a USD code. All you have to do is what? Dial *561# and they will ask you basic questions. Make sure that you dial this code while using your, what do I call it? The line you use to register for your BVN, because your BVN must be attached to that SIM. That's how they're going to determine how much they should give to you as loan. So Migo Loan has been around since around 2017 to 2018, and the first name they were using was Quick Money. So they changed that name and they kept giving loans. So the loans you can take starts from like maybe 500 naira to as much as 100,000. But the logic is you have to start from somewhere. You have to borrow, you have to borrow and pay back, and with that, you will be qualified to get a whole lot of money. Number 2, we have Branch. Branch is more like a mobile payment solution. Yes, it's an app for mobile payments that you do your VTU, do your transfer, do your investment, and once you do all this, but even if you don't do them, you can still access loans from them. Branch will not defame you. They don't even care about your contact, but they will have your contact. Now, another thing is this: if you think these loan apps don't have a contact, they do, just like the loan sharks. But the only thing about these guys is they are being monitored by CBN, so they can't defame you. Yes, if you default. I know some persons don't want to default, but they end up defaulting. It is not their fault, but it's not as if they are not willing to pay. So if you are the type that is not willing to pay, this video is not for you. I'm talking to people who want to take a loan because they know what it takes to take a loan. So that's Carbon. That's Branch. Number 3 is Carbon. Carbon is just like Branch. They do the same thing. Carbon started as Pay Later, and later they changed the name to Carbon, and they are doing so well. One extra feature for Carbon is that Carbon has the possibilities of the app has the possibilities of helping you check your credit bureau status. So once you launch the app, you would see your details, the companies you are owing or the ones you are not owing, your details, and it tells if you are credit worthy or not. Carbon gives money, good money also, as much as 500,000, 700,000, 800,000. So it all depends on how much you want to take and how credit worthy you are. They also have an investment arm. So if you want to invest, you can invest through Carbon. So another one is FairMoney. FairMoney, as of December last year, got licensed for microfinance banking, and with that license, they could do both mobile banking and loans. So Carbon started as a loan company, and if you want to work in Carbon, they pay so well. So if you have a friend working in Carbon, bill him, he has money. Yeah, they pay so well in Carbon as salary. So FairMoney. Sorry about that. FairMoney. So all you have to do is what? Download FairMoney app and start using to take your loans. FairMoney will not defame you. They have a whole lot of money, so they don't have to defame you. But beyond that, they have your details. If you want to get you arrested, you get arrested. One thing you need to know about FairMoney also is that FairMoney could give up to 1 million, 2 million naira, 3 million naira. And with that, you know what it means if you don't pay back. They might actually come to your house and get you arrested. Yeah, because it is a sin not to pay back. So make sure you borrow these loans with the intention of paying back. Yes, so we talk about FairMoney. Another one I want to talk about is RentMoney. RentMoney is an organization that has been for a very long time, like 2016, 2017. They also give loans. They are licensed by CBN also. They have 2 types of loan. They have for individuals, they have for businesses. So unlike other ones, they give up to like 5 million naira. So it depends on how much you want, how credit worthy you are, and your proof of credit worthiness. For example, if you want up to like 2 million naira, then your salary, you have to show them your proof of your salary, how much you've been receiving. This will help them determine how much you are supposed to take so that you can pay back with ease. Now they will call your guarantor to verify. That's the difference with RentMoney and other ones. They will actually call your guarantors to verify if you work with them. That's if you're a salary earner. Even if you're not a salary earner, they will call your guarantor. So be ready for that. Then the next one I want to talk about is Jumia loan. Jumia has a loan arm. Yes. And with this loan arm, these guys give out loan. So, but for you to access it, you need to download the Jumia app from Play Store. Once you download the Jumia app, you go to loans. You see their partnership with Quick Check, and with this Quick Check or Quick Credit, anyone you call them, yes, you can access their loan. They can give up to like 120, 150,000, depending on how faithful you are. You might start with 3,000 naira, then start increasing till a certain amount where you get stuck. Yeah. But one thing is, Jumia will not defame you. Yes. But if you download that app, Quick Check or Quick Credit from Play Store, there is a very high chance that they will call your guarantor and they will also defame you. Yes, they will defame you, heard me right, because those ones don't care. But Jumia cares. So with their partnership with Quick Check cannot defame you because they know Jumia will go down if Quick Check has to go down. Sorry, I have to check a list here to see if I've covered all of them. Another one is PalmPay. You've not heard of PalmPay before. PalmPay, yeah, and Okash. There is Okash. So I'm talking about two apps now. So please note that two apps, PalmPay, Okash. These two apps are mobile banking organizations. They are licensed to perform mobile banking in Nigeria, and with the license, they are also doing loans. Yeah, Okash does loans, but the Okash arm of loans could be very dangerous. They could defame, they might not defame. They don't care. Yeah, it's a Chinese company, so you know what that means. They don't really care about it. Yeah, but their mobile banking is doing fine. But PalmPay, on the other hand, they are professional. They give loans as high as millions of naira, and they are very effective. Sincerely, I've been using PalmPay for transactions for some time. Before you send your money, in short, the other person has already gotten it. Yeah, so once you press send, it's gone, and that's how it works. So those are top loan apps you don't want to joke with. They do so well, and they are doing fine. Yeah, so let me give you an extra, and the extra is Ella Credit. Ella Credit is a great platform also. They also have a mobile banking license. They've been around for some time, and they are ever willing to give out loans. So with Ella Credit, you can invest and get returns on your investment. The same thing happens with Carbon and Branch. You can also invest with them, work with your money, and give you interest over time. So you can earn interest from Carbon, from Branch, from Ella Credit, even from FairMoney. So with Ella Credit, you can pay your bills, do deposit to bank, everything that can be done on V2U platforms. That's deposit to bank, recharge GoTV, DSTV, pay NEPA bills, and all sorts of payments. And they also give loans. So their loans are also okay. They might start small, but over time they will become big. And once they become big, they start taking 500k, 200k, 300k, depending on how credit what you have. So if you're joining this channel for the very first time, I've done some videos before. Number one, I did a video that talks about how you can delete your data stored on fraudulent loan apps. All those loan apps that have hijacked your data. This is the time to delete your data from their platforms. So follow the instructions. You will see the link in the description section below on how you can clear your data stored on fraudulent loan apps. Secondly, if you want to stop fraudulent loan apps from hacking your data, I've also done a video that can help you do that. It's in the description section below also, so you can also get that. Then you should also learn about if you have been defamed before, what you ought to do, what you should do. I've also done a video about that. Please make sure you watch it. So make sure you subscribe before leaving this channel. I love you so much, and you are not here by mistake. Make sure you subscribe, like I said. Turn on the notifications. I want to be the first person to watch my next video, and I'll be doing a giveaway very soon, very soon. It's going to be huge. So if you want to hear about it, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and always remember that I love you so much and I care about you. Bye for now. Bye.